this is your channel messages for the 23rd of April. Aquarius, oh my god, no, this is news that I did not think I would ever see. The Germans are concerned. This is crazy. And we're not talking about the so-called neo-Nazi Germans. We're talking about the German Catholics, okay? No, the Germans are very concerned. This is crazy. They're concerned. Y'all are concerned? They're concerned over who will be the new pope, okay? And hopefully they're hoping that the new pope will continue to strengthen the relations between the German Catholics. And also before Pope Francis left, he tried to make an allegiance with the Jewish Catholics, okay? It's half and half. Okay? Someone's mom and dad fell in love regardless of religion, okay? So the Germans are concerned, people. I feel like the world's supposed to be concerned about Germans. Una have it as bad as Kim Kardashian having her sex tape out. The Germans cannot live down what Hitler did. It's so bad when you say, oh, you come from Germany, Hitler. No, Hitler was not born in Germany. That's how bad it is. You can't be telling people Hitler ain't come from Germany. That's like telling people that Miss Cleo, call me now, was from Jamaica. And she was not, okay? Anyways, yeah, so the Germans are concerned. This is very concerning. Who's going to work on Audi? Who? Who's going to work on Audi? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. So I'm getting something about a new leader. Maybe that's what you're concerned about. You're saying the leader is great, but we don't know if the leader will turn on us. The leader is great, but we don't know what the leader stands for. Maybe you should let the people decide what they think. Okay? Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Aquarius, this star card. And Aquarius, I want to say something, right? Because I know some is very, very, very sweet young girls who are growing up to be beautiful mothers of society. The other dirty pussy bitches, why you don't leave black people business alone? Leave black people business a fucking alone. Now, I remember that I had uploaded a video when I was doing my hair care routine, right? And on a similar with a toothbrush. And you're probably wondering, is this bitch using the same toothbrush on her teeth in her hair? No. Bitch, you don't have edges. Your blood clot clan don't practice fab edges. And everybody knows that when black girl used to go to school, there is couple things that they could not have because them underage. So what black girls would do, we would have a clear lip gloss because we couldn't wear makeup because our moms would beat our asses. We couldn't wear makeup either, so we'd have to carry soap at school and wash our face. So our face could look like we just don't come out of a beauty salon. And our edges had to be done. No, we can't use a brush pan with edges. And I know some of y'all, white girls, Indian girls, and Asian bitches, we don't have no blood clot edge. So when you say black girls doing what them want blood clot do, we don't want to start rumors. Bitch, shut the fuck up. You're not even in the club. With your grown ass edges. Shut the fuck up. You want to start all this rumor you're going to start because you see a black girl doing her edges? Yeah, we'll buy the toothbrush specifically for the blood clot edges. Ho. You always trying to put your colored clit in black girls' business. Leave we alone now. Leave us a fucking alone. You notice that they can't survive without talking about us? When you see the fucking black girl doing them edges so perfectly, right? Oh my god, is this bitch sweetie, you're vexed because you don't have edges. That's why you're upset. You're going to be going into the mirror when your husband is asleep and you're going to try to make fucking baby edges. And good luck trying to make edges with those long hair. Even though long hair can't make edges. Mind your fucking business, ethnicities. And stop blood clot dip yourself in a black people culture. Half of them don't brush your teeth 2 times a day. That's the real gag. That's the real blood clot gag. When you go sleep over and you wake up and you don't brush your teeth. And fuck off and leave me with $1 toothbrush when me get from Dollarama for them fucking edges. This is why the fucking Germans are concerned. Stupid bitches. Not all of y'all. Some of y'all are smart girls who are going to make it so good, and you're going to do the community so proud, and you're going to make a great mom and a great wife, a better wife than me when you grow up. The other nasty blood clot bitches don't go stuck on no more than mind your business. Mind your business, hoe. You're black? Are you black? No, shut the fuck up. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. We have the Six of Wands coming out first. So I'm getting public recognition, or I'm getting what the public is saying. The crowd. No, Six of Wands can be predominantly black people, but this could be anybody, any fans, anybody, okay? So I'm getting something about the crowd. Let's go. The devil, yeah. Maybe there's a huge lie that's been told on you. I don't know what people thought, what people think. Yeah. But it's really weird when people who are casting them opinions on you, them not come from where you come from, them never live the life where you ever live, them don't practice doing the same thing you practice, but them have an opinion. Sweetie, you're a man who born where you born, grow where you grow, look like you, and use the same seasoning as you, still a fucker outsider. So why you don't shut the fuck up? Hello? Why you don't shut the fuck up? Somebody want to make you look like you're dirty. Or you have weird, dirty practices. It can't dirty, sweetie, it cannot dirtier than blood clot, you. I said this already, I'm never say it again. Me not date all men of all race, but the race them that I did date, them tell me that the women them who look like them are the nastiest blood clot woman them ever fucking. Do you even shave your pussy? You don't. And I know that some men are okay with hair on your pussy. Joe Rogan said he's okay with girl having arm hair. Joe Rogan, nothing can tell me say you don't like man. A little. Joe Rogan, I feel like you kind of like men. Yeah. Why would you be okay with a girl having arm hair? Isn't that a man? And I know the feminists are going to hate me. He's a girl. He's a girl. Yeah, have ear for your pussy. Maybe some man like that. But we're just saying. You like manly women? Me no know which girl could have dealt with Joe Rogan, go on red carpet with him, and have arm hair. This is what me saying as a woman. Forget what your man like. Suppose your man like hair pussy. Suppose your man like arm hair. Okay. But yeah, Joe Rogan. I better you say you like for the anal. It's better he said that. And I like Joe Rogan. I don't have a problem with Joe. I like Joe Rogan more than I like. See, what name? That dirty fucker. The dirty, nasty fucker who Bella was trying to cook for him. And then I'm gonna tell her, say, is this an everyday thing? John Cena. I do not like that man. I don't like him. He's a gay as it comes. Him really gay. You know that? John Cena, I know you fuck man. You know I know that. And if you don't fuck man, you probably should start. You might be happier. Because Bella gave you a lot of her time. You know how humiliated Bella felt when she was fucking the fighter, and the fighter was the one who treated her terrible. The nerdy, her twin sister was with the nerdy guy. Was slim. The nerdy guy treated her better. Bella would have shame after when they with John Cena. Girl, I would have shame. John Cena like a man though. That's why he treated that way. Because him like a man. Or he likes a lot of anal that you could not give him. Anyways, let's continue the reading. We have the Six of Cups. We also have the Temperance. And we have the, yeah. So, I mean, going back to the beginning of the reading, yeah. I'm getting some, we have the devil, and we have, you know, when you have a devil and the angel on your shoulder. Should I listen to the devil? Should I listen to the angel? The devil and the angel will always exist in the same place. Whether the fans are telling you a lie, and you believe the fans over the angel, or the fans are confusing you and you ran to the angel for clarity and she gave you clarity. So I'm getting between the devil and the temperance is an apology. So it's either me getting an apology for believing the fans. Me getting two sides. Me getting is either me getting the one who I believe the fans want you to apologize to them, but them I believe the fans. Me getting you don't have no fans. You only have the faith in yourself. I don't know. I'm getting apologies in the middle of this. Somebody want you apologize to the crowd for your bad behavior. Your man never apologized to you for fucking on you. Them want you apologize for making the crowd feel like an outsider. Okay. Who apologized to you when you felt like an outsider? Nobody. Okay. So when you give the same medication them give to you, oh, it's terrible. It's one thing for a crowd to attack one person. You see, when one person can make the whole crowd feel fucked up, yeah, that is where the problem is. When the whole crowd was bullying you, it was a unanimous vote for make this person's life a living hell. No, you are one little person. One little person. I'm sorry, your confidence is making other people insecure. So the fuck what? Other people did grow in a better conditions than me. Other people had the opportunity to do better things than me in life. Other people grew up with more money than me. Why you think me give a fuck that my appearance or my aura make other people insecure? I don't give a fuck. Yeah, when you don't have any money begging on the sidewalk, they can stick their nose up at you. Get a job. But when you level up and you make your body look so attractive that every man a girl and say them want a slim body. Every man a girl and say, you know what, I want a body I can lift in the air and lift on my face. Now you're insecure. Oh, but you had all that money. Remember you drive? Remember you had that house and those kids? But one girl make you feel insecure at the end of the world. 6 of Wands is clarified by the Tower. So I'm not sure if the crowd is going to bully you out of wherever the fuck you live, or the crowd are gonna bully you for stop. Thankfully the crowd never gave you talent. The Devil card is clarified by the 3 of Pentacles. Yeah. So I'm getting it's a crowd, the whole community, the crowd. Maybe this is a specific community, is a specific ethnic group. All of them are work together. Whether them are gonna bully you or them are gonna torment you when them see you. Sweetie, that don't drop my confidence. You is the type of bitch who will bully a girl because she did nothing wrong, and when you go home you feel bad for bully her. You think me lose sleep at night? Me no lose sleep. I don't lose sleep at nights. For what me do? Me no stay up angry. Me no stay up depressed. Me fall asleep like a baby. Bitch, you depressed. Because you know tomorrow you're going to see my face again, and I'm going to outdo you again and again and again and again. All while having less than you. And you're fucking mad. And you're trying to pass it off as someone so cocky. Someone so arrogant. Someone acts like they're better than people. Well, bitch, when you had your chance in high school, trying to hype on the girl or the guy who had less than you, you thought you were better than people too, don't? That's why I'm gonna have no attachment to having a baby. Because a baby grow up into insecure adults. A baby grow up into a depressed adult whose mother and father neglect them. You think blood clot baby, you think babies grow into me. Them grow in a you. Them grow up. I don't know if you remember that. They grow up. And look around how much fucked up adults are around. How much rapists are around. How much bullies are around. Look on that. They came from the stomach of a woman. Look how much man me talk to or reach out to me because them suicidal. Where your girlfriend there? Where your mother there? Where your father there? Me not have no baby. Where your parents who raised you and grow you? And you're telling me after your parents raise you, grow you, carry through 9 months, them fucked you up so much that at 20 odd, at 30 you want to commit suicide? You look like you need a parent. Me not have time for gain 25 pounds blood clot. You think me have time for gain blood clot 25 pounds for a man? Because let's be honest, that's the only reason why I'm gonna carry a baby, because the man didn't want it. Otherwise, I will adopt. I forget 25 pounds, my breast them gonna get bigger stretch mark out. My pussy gonna be 5 inches bigger. Bigger than Amara. La nigga! Bigger than Fiaron. Fia man, you fucking crazy. Bitch. Some doctor might come to me and say, hey, we'll grow this baby in a test tube if you want. 6 of Cups is clarified by the 8 of Wands. The Strength card is clarified by the Star card. You think them can ever take your confidence away? When the people them there traffic you and exploit you and I show you pussy on blood clot TV and I mock you even though them a traffic you, nobody was there for have your back. Now you get over your healing, you get over your fears, and now all of a sudden everybody's like, you act like you're better than people. Of fucking course I am. I'm gonna choose shit what people that kill themselves over. Fuck out of here, sluts. Sluts that want to be a part of an ethnicity that you ain't part of, bitch. Your mother should have fucked a black man. Your father should have fucked a black woman. Hush. I know you want to be a nigga so bad. The Chariot. Your white father should have fucked a black woman. Your black father should have fucked a white woman. I don't know what you want to call it, but all the fuck I know is ho. Stay in your motherfucking lane, slut. You ain't part of our community. You not have the melanin as me. Your hair not grow like blood clot mine. Stay out and stay in your lane, slut. Every fucking day you get up and you comment about black people or you comment about black girls. Okay. Your man commenting about them too if you never fucking know. Maybe you need to go in your man phone and say. It's a reason why coffee is his favorite blood clot drink and not milk. It's stronger, it's better, and it just tastes great. The fuck out of here, slut. Yeah, comment on people hygiene. You're commenting on people. Oh, you know, they did it. You know, yeah, the bitch shut the fuck up. Your man fucking on you. I'm not fuck on you with a bitch who look like you. I'm fucking on you with a bitch who is the opposite. Your nipples are pink, the bitch's nipples are black, and he's still fucking on you. So go back in the corner with your boring ass hair, with your boring ass shampoo once a day blood clot here. Your hair is as boring as fucking untoasted bread. The fuck you talking about? Every fucking day you see a black girl, you want to criticize her hair, you criticize her face, you bitch shut the fuck up. You injected your lip for look like black girl lip. Bitch, you want my lips. Bitch, you doing motherfucking rise and shine. You're doing blood clot Kardashian fucking trend for make your lip them have body. Cause every time that man lip him feel like his thread around him dick. That's how thin your fucking lips are, bitch. You wanna look black so bad. You're gonna tanning salon. You're gonna go inject your lip and inject your face. You want big body. You want big breasts. And all when you go gym for work out the body and get a nice body, your lip them look like it pumped with fucking hormones. The way your lip them big. Walking around calling people monkey. Sweetie, your lip them look like monkey lip. Your lips look like monkey lip. You see how thin your lip is? It's thinner than the top layer of a monkey's lip. Bitch, you been taking black girls' lips and going to the blood clot doctor. Every time you fucking put on lipstick by your lip, your lip them fade away. It fade away into the fucking darkness of Hades. Bitch. Your lip them as thin as a monkey and your pussy hairy like blood clot monkey. Your pussy hairy like monkey pussy. Your arm hairy like blood clot monkey. Believe me, bitch, we are not the one for you to come for. Black girls are understanding their power in 2025. We know when a bitch is jealous. We know when a bitch is admiring us. And we know when a bitch just want to be friends. We know the difference. Oh, Black girls taking over so much. Santa did not visit the North Pole for blood clot Christmas. He visited the ghetto. Rat-tat-tat-tat, and you want some black pussy. That's where Santa was on Christmas, bitch. He wasn't in the North Pole. We have Shark. We have The Soul Was Sold. We have Magic. And we have Illuminati. Black girls are knowing who the fuck they are now. You think you can style with like one time? And if you catch a black bitch with a helmet and you're acting like you're this and you're that and you're wearing straight wig, well, what the fuck you can say about me, slut? And that's why I'm not blood clot like me. You can't criticize me for nothing. Nothing you can criticize me on. And any blood clot thing you try to criticize me on, you want me go under the knife for it. I'm not that blood clot insecure. Me is not one of these blood clot black girls here. You think me stay like them girl yes sir? Why in a blood clot helmet? Why pose every blood clot day and them don't feel good if them don't look an inch of white? What the fuck you can say about me? That's why you bitches don't like. That's why you bitches don't like me. You can't say nothing blood clot bad about me. Nothing about me not fake. Me not wear blood clot false here. Me not wear synthetic here. And if me I wear makeup, believe me, bitch, if me I wear makeup, I don't wear makeup. That was the gag. That was a gag. That was a gag, slut. Your face full of blood clot spots. You have to wear blood clot makeup every day. What you gonna say about this nigga? She not wear helmet. She not wear hair. She don't even wear blood clot makeup. Yesterday you see me cry. Did you not see me cry yesterday? Did you see my mascara leak? Me not wear blood clot makeup, bitch. Stay in your fucking lane. Stay in your raw blood clot lane, bitch. You need to go bathe with blood clot vinegar before you come for me. Don't you dare come for me. What's my blood? What's you dealing with a natural black girl? Bitch, me not depend on Ozempic. Bitch, me not depend on blood clot diet. Me eat what I want when I want. Me not even go blood clot gym. Me don't wear false hair. Me don't even have a false lash on. The whole of my blood clot teeth them real, bitch. You found the right black girl to try for bully. Cause bitch, I would make you feel like a nigga more than me. And I love being a nigga. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.